My name is Clare Christie and I'm from Austin, Texas. When I read about Gibbs Ranch and that it had been a cattle ranch, and that there was a rodeo arena on one side and agriculture building on the other side, I thought, a bucking horse could go in that location. I've been trying to capture the movement of a horse throughout my art career. And I feel like this allows also for people to sort of look in and see the piece and see what they want to see as well, like fill in the gaps. I wanted that sculpture way up in the air because I wanted you to see the blue sky through the piece. I mean, that's that freedom, that's that lightness, that floating. That's my color.